important, and it happens every now and then in our daily conversations and conversing with friends, family members, and even well wishes of those that are far related to us. The word, don't worry, I'll be right back. Okay, I welcome you back. The word I'll be referring to is the word SLRRY, sorry. Very, very popular. Everybody talks about the word sorry. But do you know time to get out of context when you use this word? So you need to be very careful when you apply the word sorry. Now, somebody works on the road and probably has their phone or the handbag dropped on the ground. Now you say, oh, sorry. Why do you say sorry? Word sorry is an apologetic term and mostly used when you're trying to feel a bit of remorse for what you've done. In other words, sorry could show a bit of connection to what you're doing right that others are not really getting through. So you could use the word sorry to show a bit of a remorseful connection to that. But generally, never use the word sorry if you're trying to show a bit of concern to people's predicamental situation. So for instance, somebody sneezes, ouch! And you say, sorry, you don't need to do that. Better term could be, take care, or take it easy. Are you okay? Not sorry. Because when you say sorry, it simply shows you're indicating a term whereby you are apologizing for the person sneezing. Remember, you didn't cause the sneeze, so why should you apologize? Okay? Take note here, sorry can also be used in some informal situations whereby you could want to show a bit of a strong connection, where somebody tries to pick up something and he loses another friend in the process. You say, oh, sorry for dropping that. That's simply allowed in an informal situation. But if you've not met the person before, you don't know the person before, I would suggest that you don't say sorry when the person sneezes, coughs, or drops something on the floor. I guess you'll learn something from this. And the next time you step out on the street, never say sorry if you never caused anything. Better you say, take care. So, I'll tell you, take care. Bye-bye. Okay, so I'll talk about my grammar challenge for the week. My grammar challenge for the week will be to talk about the difference between ground and floor. I guess it sounds kind of tricky. Okay, if you're listening to this, I would want to give a free PDF material on how to break down a simple agree-disagree essay. It's part of the Gonzola Principle series of improving our writing section, especially the essay section there. So this PDF is not for sale. I actually want to use it as a form of encouraging those that are having issues with the writing section. So it is a well-grounded PDF that will help essay writers, whether you're a native speaker or a non-native speaker of English language, to improve your writing abilities. It also concerns how your structure of sentences can get more complex. It gives you a better way of using linkers, improving paragraph alignment, and above all, creating stronger cover statements there. It's a compact PDF for essay writing, and it centers more on the agree, disagree essay, and it can be yours if you are able to take this challenge and give the difference between ground and floor in just 2 sentences. It shouldn't be more than 2 sentences, and if you can make it as simple as you can, it will be better. And your responses as comments to this video, and whoever comes out top, gets the best description for the difference between ground and floor, will win this special edition of the PDF. Like I said, it's not for sale, it's totally free, and I want to really encourage you to keep pushing it, that the essay you're pushing on can become better with the right skills and strategy. Hope to hear from you soon. Send in your comments and let's take on the challenge. Bye-bye.